Miss Nikki, how do you say hello in the Māori language?
We say kia ora. I like the people on my street. Yeah, they're really neat. We like to stop and say hello. And how do you do? It's nice to see you too. And we say kia ora. How do you do? It's nice to see you too. And we say kia ora. I like to watch the trucks drive by, and we wave high. The friendly postman knocks at my door, and if I'm with my mum, we'll stop to corridor, and we say kia ora.
Kia ora, Miss Nikki. Here's your mail.
Kia ora, postman. And if I'm with my mum, we'll stop to corridor, and we say I like to pat the dogs on my street. Oh, they're really sweet. They lick my hand to say hello, and if I'm lucky, I'll get a sloppy kiss on my cheek when we say kia ora. And if I'm lucky, I'll get a sloppy kiss on my cheek, and we'll say to one person we say tenakwe.
Tenakwe.
Tenakwe. Two people tenakorua. Tra la la la. Three people or more tenakoto. And we say kia ora. Kia ora